To modify my input, I can simply edit my mesh. You remember I added some constraint to align some nodes on those two lines here, but if I'm using now a different injection line, I won't have any nodes aligned here along this white line here, so I have to modify my mesh. I will edit, go back to the Advanced Meshing Tool workbench. Okay, I keep on the same parameters. Do you want to keep? No, I don't want to keep my mesh. And I can add some constraints using removing all the previous lines and adding this on here. I can now mesh my part. Okay, I can now exit the mesh menu and I'm back in my RTM workbench. I have now to modify my groups for inlets. I can now remove all supports and modify using the split line instead. Okay, and I can directly relaunch the simulation. I can now have a look at my second simulation results showing filling time, and we can see with this data setup the filling time is only 145 seconds, which is 4 times quicker than the previous data setup. Last fill zones are located on the vents side, so it's just the best way to do it to avoid any air bubbles within the part. We'll display also an animation of the filling. And we can clearly see how the flow front goes into the part while the process is ongoing. During this demonstration, we are focused on a standard isothermal injection simulation. PALM-RTM can also be used for non-isothermal simulations, including curing or non-startup processes such as vacuum assist resin infusion. Thank you for your attention.